Simple things like moving around her apartment or taking a single breath have become so difficult for Nicole Gladu.
I'm trying to live without hope, but at the same time trying to avoid the desperation.
Gladu is one of the plaintiffs who challenged the Quebec and Canadian laws on medical assistance in dying. She has post-polio syndrome and scoliosis. In an interview last month, she said she didn't qualify for an assisted death because her natural death is not reasonably foreseeable, as the federal law stipulates.
This is undefinable.
Today's ruling found parts of both laws are unconstitutional, that requiring a person be near the end of their life violates the plaintiff's rights to liberty and security. The judge suspended her ruling for 6 months to give the governments time to change their laws.
This is a hike we went on.
Heather Ross's husband died in 2017. He had a severe form of Parkinson's, but had to fight to access medical aid in dying because his death wasn't imminent.
I'm grateful, I'm thankful, and I know my husband would be. He had asked me before he died to try and advocate, to try and change the law so that people don't suffer as much as he did.
The plaintiffs in this case didn't comment today, but their lawyer did.
They will see an end to their suffering. It is a new hope.
Others hope the governments appeal the ruling.
The whole purpose of the Quebec law and the federal law was to try and help people who are near death to have an easier death, not to have a death which would come at a very premature time.
Both governments say they will review the decision. For now, the ruling gives Jean Truchon and Nicole Gladu an exemption so they can apply for assisted deaths immediately. Alison Northcott, CBC News, Montreal.